This, I mean, the fish. It's a lot of fish. I mean, like they just put in the bucket and like mapping to how much kilo and all, and then after that they devise you how much the people they devise between them, and then they go to market. They sell all the fish. I कौन बाजार है? बुध बाजार है ना? हम अपने गांव के. So today is our market area in like our village area, nearby there. Every day in different market they sell the fish and all. So in each and every fish, the fish is different, color quite little bit similar, but every fish name is different. Like rohu, कौन मछली है? Silver, naini, and all. In our language is called silver, naini, and all whatever, because every fish have quite similar face, but name is different. And this is our village people called silver naini, but in your language is different. I mean name. Everyone calling different name. Even Indian people are called different. Nepali people called different. In Filipino different. Then we have name also different. So yeah. See how it's big bucket. I mean, like बहुत बड़ा है, like the big one, and they have a lot of fish. So see guys how much this. It's a big fishes, not much that big, but normal one. And now devising the different who want the fish, they devise. In this one bucket is 8 kilo, and then they put in that area and then devise.
कथी के? कथी के? गर्मी हटा दे. कौन गर्मी हटा?
They already put in the main area, but after that they put in the still in the like a talab, we call pokri or talab in our language. What do you call in your language? You see this one door inside there, like almost they devise 8 kilo and 10 kilo fishes, and after that they put in the inside of the pokri, so fishes not die, because each and every want fresh fishes and fresh things, that's why they do like this kind of things. Okay, and but already devised now. Okay, so see you in the next video. I'm just trying to make the video how they process it and all, because it's kind of also it's a fishing, it's part of the like farming. Okay, it's village farming. So see you in the next video. See, this one is small one. It's called bacha in Hindi language. In our that one is small one fishes. You see how the color? It's very a different color. Oh, that one is big one. ज़्यादा है. So finally they put in the bucket. So खत्म हो गया है. बच्चा खत्म. वाह, ये रोही है. We call this fish is like rohu. What do you call in your language? So now finally bacha is finished, like small fishes. अब कौन है? बढ़ के है तो जो खा गया है. So finally the fish is finished. So I see you in the next video. If you like the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Share with your friend and family, and yeah, see you in the next video. Like guys, this is a pokri. We call pokri, and this is the jal for especially for fish, the big one and small one. And you see the one like inside their fish we call different name like rohu and and they guys are, you know, Malha, especially for the Jat, say, you know, like we call it as a religion, and especially for the Malha only in the, you know, Pokhri side, they fishing the area, you know, and also they are put in this, you know, bucket and then sell in the, you know, small market like a bazaar, we call bazaar. So yeah, because it's kind of farming, you know, people doing farming for the like fish, and then later, you know, they sell the market, and this is kind of, you know, also it's in Hindi we call, you know, kind of rozgar, you know, it's kind of working, you know, so how they survive. And so see this, this is the fish, as you see, we call different name, rohu and all. Okay, in your language what do you call? You just comment section. It's a small one. Okay, this one is a small one. Your name kya hai? So this one is not nani. Ru. What do you call in your language? Just comment section in below. Okay, and the guys are still doing fishing. Okay, I mean, like, I just late for a while because I'm doing some work, and now you see this is already put it. Later I will see you in the next video if they do, maybe next day, maybe next month. Allah. No. So okay, so later I will do the video for the next video, for next part. So finally you see. Okay. So like guys, you can see after taking the like milk from the buffalo, you can see it's a buffalo, big buffalo, and now the buffalo like I mean what do we call, yeah, like baby, baby buffalo is drinking the milk. This is the procedure how, you know, the in a village area, like we also doing kind of a farming of the buffalo, like a buffalo god and all. We take care of them, and then they give baby, and sometimes like farmer people, they sell with other person, and how they earn the money, you know. And also from we take care of the buffalo, like cow and all, and then they give us like milk, and then we sell the milk and all. So, and we have 80 rupee kg, you know, milk here in our area. How about you guys? Comment section in the below. Okay, if you, I mean, like, so now this is the baby. Let me show you baby buffalo. See how cute baby buffalo. He's quite hungry now, baby buffalo. I have other one also. Later I'm going to show you. Okay guys, so this is the this is the for the, I mean, like, okay, तो see you the next video guys. दिखाना दो. So दोस्तों, ये है वीडियो, I mean, like, ये है दूध का, ये देख सकते हो पूरा का पूरा मलाई दूध है. Like normally when they take the from milk from directly to the buffalo, the first milk is have all the milk, pure milk, you know, no water. See, all the milk is showing, and after also like kind of jhag, you know, they have jhag. So this is the pure milk. Mostly दिखाओ ना था तो छुआ दे ना, छुआ दे ना. So दोस्तों, like guys, you can see this is the real pure water. Look like other things. This is the pure water. When the water taking directly, okay na? देखे ना इधर. When the directly taking water, I mean milk from the buffalo, the, you know, directly is coming a kind of jhag. We say jhag in our language. So that's why it's look like that. तो ये जहाग इनते रहे इसी कम है जी बाद में ऑटोमेटिक ये इनते रहते हाँ तो ये इनते रहते कि कम है. So later it will be going down, just like, you know, kind of sabun or something like that, you know, washing something, washing powder, yeah, look like that. It's giving some kind of jhag. देख सकते हैं मेरा जफीर भाई स्टार्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है बोर्डिंग. लाइक माय यंग ब्रदर जफीर इज ट्राइंग टू स्टार्ट द बोर्डिंग. ओके, लेट्स सी इट्स वर्क और नॉट. ओके, एंड फाइनली होने कारी शायद डी पे कहत रही अब केकरा में खेत में उखाड़ी तो ना मालूम है डी पे तो हमार ना है so finally he tried to start the boarding there are two of the engineer one of the Jafir and one is Mumtaz he tried to start but not yet start and पानी देख कल का स्टार्ट हो चुका है अब बोर्डिंग ये कर रहे हैं बिस्मिल्लाह करके स्टार्ट कर बिस्मिल्लाह करके स्टार्ट करें बिस्मिल्लाह so let's see what's going on they're trying to be start and suddenly it will be work let's see okay finally water is coming but there's no more not really much water you know I don't know what's happening so it's not really much water ज़्यादा so finally see the water is coming more and our work is done you see it's really hard work okay it's not easy work it's not easy work it's really hard work we done there and he's my uncle he's a like lohar like he making the house okay if anyone need so that's why yeah and yeah this is the like traditional of the Hinduism like Sri Radha and all they're putting the dress on and all okay so this is our village area I'm just trying to show you the reality of the life of village area okay just like that the way we are living I'm just showing you okay I didn't do anything else just the way we are living I'm just showing you okay so hope you guys are like if you like share comment and subscribe and share with your family and friends if you like my videos inshallah if I have more subscribers later I will buy a new phone then I will show you the clarity and reality and more clear videos you know because nowadays I live in village area I don't have a good phone and you know sometimes phone was broken and also it's happened so see you the next video